But today we use it for roasting coffee. This is the traditional way in Guatemala. If you don't have a roaster machine, this is the traditional way for roasting your coffee.
Aquí hay que estarlo moviendo constantemente para que no se nos dore solo de un lado.
Here we need to move constantly because the coffee, because we don't want the coffee to burn.
¿De qué a mover?
You want to try?
Yeah.
In the traditional way, we use this clay flat pan and we use the firewood. This stove is really ecologic because many years ago we cooked it with open firewood and all the smoke stay inside our kitchen and we smell it, all of this smoke. But thanks to the coffee we obtain this stove. This stove have like a comes out all the smoke. We only need one firewood and we can cook different things.
Yeah, right. Cool.
Ahí como puede ver ya está cambiando de color.
As you can see, the coffee starts to change
Se
color
empieza a sentir el aroma.
and it starts to smell. Canchito, mami.
Popping.
Yes. But here we'll have like a first crack, second crack.
Yeah.
Because it's difficult.
Oh yeah. Different roast
Yeah,
each time
exactly.
for sure.
But this is the secret for the artisanal coffee.
Okay.
Because at the end, when the coffee is ready roasted, you obtain a blend of different type of roast because different type of roast for different time and different colors. After chilling, we will separate the beans. Or the traditional way of the artisanal way.
Do you do it like every morning when you want your cup of coffee? You just like
We need a lot of time if we want to roast at the same moment.
Yeah.
Okay, we roasted like one time per week. My mom and I will roasted some pounds of coffee, and my brothers and my father need to grind their own coffee.
It smells really good.
Yes.
Aquí ya está dorado. Como puede ver es una mezcla, unos más dorados, otros menos.
So here the coffee already roasted. As you can see, we have a blend of colors. And here we need to take off the last color.
Oh yeah. Ooh, popping.
Like that.
Ahora vamos a ir hacia la piedra y lo vamos a moler.
Now come to outside and we use the grinder stone for ground our coffee.
Oh, okay.
Una cuchara, por favor.
Esta es una piedra de moler. Es una piedra volcánica.
This is the grinder stone. It's made with volcanic rock.
Oh my
And in
gosh.
Guatemala, we use it for everything. We use it for to ground corn for to make tortillas. We use it for to make peanut butter, chocolate, black beans, and some spices, for to make some sauce and coffee.
Wow.
¿Te va a moler?
You want to try?
Yeah.
¿Sí?
I'll give it a shot. You're
Vamos a poner
stronger.
la mano aquí.
First, put your hands in this way, like my mom.
Luego hacia
And then-
arriba, hacia abajo.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's not rolling, you're just like
It's like a milk presser.
that.
Yeah.
How long have you been doing this? When you're like 5, they're like, you need to start practicing.
My mom started to use the grinder stone when she was 7 years old.
Oh my gosh.
I started a little bit late when I was 10 years old. But this is more like a tradition.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's more rewarding the more you work for it.
But of course, if you want to get married, this is your test. when my father and my mom gets married, the next day for the wedding, my grandmother, mother to my father, have a present to my mom. In water, we need to add some coffee. We need to move. We need to wait for a moment or for a minute, and then we need to move it, and we need to pass for 2 strainers. Colander. It's like a filter.
¿Cómo le gusta el café? ¿Suave? ¿Fuerte?
I like it strong or medium, yeah. Like strong medium.
Medio fuerte.
Medio fuerte.
All the coffee.
Luego vamos a esperar por un momento y luego lo vamos a mover.
We need to wait for a moment,
Mm-hmm.
and then we need to move.
It smells so good.
Lo vamos a mover.
This is like the last rush of the coffee. But as you can see in all the coffee too, the idea in our family is all the things need to recycling or have a second life. This we can use it for to make organic fertilizer, or we can use it for to make cosmetics. If you want to make skincare, you can blend it with honey, brown sugar, lemon juice, and coffee, and you use it like a mask. For exfoliant, you can blend with cream coconut oil and a little bit brown sugar, and it is a good exfoliant. And if you want for make shampoo, you need this coffee more finer. You add directly to your shampoo. You need to shake it, wait for 2 days, and then you